through the rain, go through it. Good.
Good thing up ahead. Okay.
Go and come back.
Try it.
Yeah, try it.
Yes, sir.
That way they'll stay out of your face. That's the nice thing about those ones. Did you guys have these at all?
What's that? Oh,
Back
no,
when you had
hell
these?
no.
They're nice. They're definitely nice, especially when they get pissed off.
Oh, hell yeah.
That way you don't even have to worry about them going in your nose, in your ear.
Yeah, your
You
ears
know,
and
because
all
they
that
like to
shit.
find those spots.
Oh, hell yeah. They're good about that.
So what we'll do is we'll check one at a time real quick. They know we're coming already because I already...
Yeah, smoked it.
Yeah. Let me get this going. Yeah, we're good. Letting them know, hey, we're coming in. All right. Yeah, that's tight as hell because they use that wax.
Yeah, they pack it.
All right, and I haven't opened them for about 2 weeks. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Well, the thing I'm needing to check today is the hive beetle traps. I don't see nothing though. There's a lot of hive beetles that were inside of here, and I put this in here
yeah.
so we can catch them. Because they're over there running around, you know.
Right.
Supposedly they, I guess they infect the bees or something like that.
Yeah, they do. They do.
Get this. I guess they do something to the bees.
Yeah.
See, you can see their wax
Oh,
up there.
yeah.
See, because there's a plastic one, but then
Right,
they
right.
build off of the
Oh.
plastic.
Mm-hmm.
Last time I found her up here in the second box.
Oh, no shit.
We'll see if we can find her this time. I was very, very happy that I found her on the first time.
Oh,
I hadn't seen her in a long time. I finally found her. Let's put that right there. See?
Oh, yeah.
There's a hive beetle right there.
Oh, there, yeah.
See, and they go in there and they hide. But they're supposed to go inside here because there's some liquid in there that I guess supposedly they're attracted to.
They're attracted
They'll
to?
fall in there
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
they'll die.
Oh, they do.
Because I guess if they get too much in there, they'll get them infected. See, this one has some hive beetles in it too.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Yep. So I'm gonna shake these off real quick. So what I was gonna do? Do you want to try some honey?
Yeah, okay.
Right out of the.
Yeah, right out of. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
Look at that. So what you'll do is you'll put it under your deal if you want to give her a try.
Yeah.
I'll let you do, Bubs. There you go. Oh yeah. That looks so good. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. It looks delicious. Trying some honey fresh out of the hive. They call it beekeeper's cut.
Mm-hmm. That's right. Good call it.
Give her a try.
Good job.
That is damn good.
Yep.
Straight from the hive.
Straight from the hive, no shit.
Then you could chew on the
On the wax.
wax, yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
So this is all honey too.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh look, there's a bunch of hive beetles in there.
sure as hell
There's
did.
a lot. That's the whole reason why I put that trap in there, because I seen that there was a lot last time.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can find her, because she was putting some babies up here too.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Find it in.
See, because there's brood right there.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is where she's putting her babies in.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Looks like they're a little agitated too.
Oh, yeah.
That's all right though. That's why we have the
Smoke.
smoke, and then we also have the.
Calm down now.
I don't see her on this one,
Yeah.
but there's some brood in this one too, a little darker.
Yeah, yeah, it is. It's funny how I calm them down, huh?
And then you spray your hands a little bit, and
Yeah.
they come off. I always smell like a campfire by the time I'm done.
Oh, hell yeah.
So when I go home,
What's there? Go
Always-
take a shower.
the wife already knows right away. Yeah. See, and this queen, she's got a little green thing on her back, a little green marker. You can paint their little jewel on their back, and you can see them.
Probably damn.
Let's see. You don't always have to do that. It's just, oh, there she is,
No.
right there. See her right there?
Oh, yeah, yeah. I
With the
see
green
her.
jewel.
I see her right there. Yeah.
So we found the queen.
Yeah.
She's running around. She's still looking good.
Yeah.
Don't look like she's producing some more. So what we'll do, I honestly was trying to check the hive beetle trap.
Heel trap.
That was my whole main thing of checking everything today. And see, this one's usually not as aggressive. They're kind of being a little aggressive. I mean, I'm not like, they're not trying to sting us, but
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
they're more active, let's just say.
yeah.
Okay, so we're done with that one.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna take off the top though, because I need to see how much
Bottom?
I have a sugar water reservoir inside there.
Oh,
Is what I have. Usually when I'm by myself, I hum, like you told me.
yeah.
Okay, let's see this one. Oh, look, they're flapping.
Oh, yeah.
You see some of the honey we spilt.
Mm-hmm.
I think, honestly, they're a little bit more busy than they were last time, which is good. Oh, there's some hive beetles inside there.
Uh-oh.
Like one or two. That's good, though. There's like one or two.
Oh, yeah.
Not much. I might have to come fill it back up. Looks like they're doing all right, though. Now, this one is what we need to check. Oh, empty.
Empty?
They drank it all.
Oh,
2
no
weeks.
shit.
That's good, though. I mean,
Yeah.
because they seem to be a little bit more busier this go around.
Yeah.
But it's empty. I need to come back and fill it back up. Yep, because you can fill it up, and then they have these little ladders, for
ladders
them,
on it,
so
yeah.
that way they climb back out
Yeah,
instead of
yeah.
getting stuck in there. So now I need to come back and fill them up. I think they're doing all right, though. They've got a lot of honey, so I do need to come fill up their water at least twice a week. Because I got that little dog bowl catcher thing for them.
Yeah.
So they're doing good, though. See, at about this time in New Mexico, they would be hibernating, and you don't even have to check them.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's good smoke right there. All right. What do you think, Bebs? That's just the one. Now we'll check the other one.
Probably had the smoke calmed them down.
Mm-hmm.
So fuck it easy.
These
Yeah,
ones
move
are a
this
lot
over
more
to the
aggressive.
yellow.
Yeah, I'll move it over real quick, Bebs.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show the video. Just thought I'd
Oh, hell yeah.
share that.
Yeah.